Do you think ergonomic keyboards are worth it? Do I think? I don't know. Never used one. Let's find out. There's 2 keyboards in here. Customs held it for too long. It wasn't Keychron's fault. And they sliced it open like an animal. Look, there's just a slice so they could see what's inside. They just cut it open. That is pretty freaking cool, dude. Look at that. And legends that they are, always including a wrist rest. Absolutely unnecessary for the review, but I love it. And I always love keyboard companies that give me wrist rests because they're amazing. Thank you very much. Let's open that up, see what we got in here. I don't know if this is for the K4 or for the Q13. Yeah, this one's for the K4. Okay. As usual, got the shiny Keychron symbol. Keychron! Dude. Love that. Got the instructions, quick start guide. Very nice. A little foam layer. Help with the shipping. Love that. Oh boy. User manual. Some foam pads and some screws. I don't know what this is for. We have a couple of Type-C adapters, or just a Type-C adapter, a dongle for USB, for Bluetooth, keycap and switch puller. We have a little Phillips head screwdriver. That's cute. And an Allen key. Get the extra keycaps. You get the one for Windows. I'm sure this is set up for Mac as usual. I'll have to replace those. And we got the power cord with another adapter already on the cable. Okay, that's it. Let's get the keyboard out. Oh my God, it's so heavy. I know it hurts when I do this, but I don't know an easier way, so let me know. Taking off the plastic, mate. God damn it, it's heavy. It's breaking my wrist. My God. Yo, this thing is weird looking. First impression, this looks like a dream version of a keyboard, like a fever dream version of a keyboard. Like this is what you type on in your dreams. I mean, it's going to take a little getting used to, but this might be easier for me. Wait a minute. I'm going to game on this and I feel like I'm going to hit the wrong buttons. I'm going to give it my all. She is $230. This comes with a fully assembled knob. You can get it in carbon black or shell white. You can get the red switches or the brown switches. The only difference is the brown switches are basically silent and the red switches are a little louder. I have them kind of side by side here. Operating force is a little more for the brown switches. The travel distance is the same. It's the same spring. Yep, there's the brown. Just line it up. Oh yeah, we're gonna be gaming on this. Is that dirt? What is that? I thought it was dirt. It's a Wi-Fi symbol. It looked like dirt. That's funny. Let's get it plugged in. See if this thing's got like RGB. I think it said RGB. So it's the Q13 Max. It's an ergonomic keyboard. It's got 2.4 gigahertz and Bluetooth connection. It's got 1,000 hertz polling rate. The entire metal body is crafted with 6063 aluminum that's processed through CNC machined, polished, sandblasted, and undergoes 24 more manufacturing stages to make this solid metal piece of art. That is the Q13 Max. I agree. It is a piece of art. It's got significantly enhanced acoustic foams. It's got a ARM Cortex M4 chip equipped with 256K flash. They got the double shot PBT keycaps. That means, of course, they're going to last a little bit longer. Keychron spherical angle profile. It kind of follows like a U. PCB stabilizers to keep your big buttons a steady feeling no matter where you push them. Like the space bar, you push the left, you push the right, you push the middle. It'll feel the same no matter what. How much does it weigh? 2,400 grams. How much is 2,400 grams? 5.3 pounds. This keyboard's 5 pounds. That's crazy. Yeah, it definitely feels like it. Yeah, it might rip my keyboard wall right out the wall. You guys haven't seen my keyboard wall yet, I don't think, and officially, so let's look at it, because I'm keyboard man after all. Just take a quick look at the bottom. There's no feet on it. Oh, okay. So the extra screws are these screws that hold the keyboard together, and then the Allen key is for this. Yeah, that's where the Allen key goes, and then these little rubber feet. There was 2 replacement feet in that bag, so there goes the mystery hardware. We figured out what that is. We got the Type-C port there. You got Windows and Mac version, and then we got the wired. We're just going to use wired. And it plugs in right here, which is awesome. Hey, I like it. Let's go. Caveman discovers fire for the first time. I'll leave the link in the description for this software. It's just a web driver. You don't have to run it on your computer. You just hit Keychron Q13 Max or whatever keyboard you're using. Connect. So you have key map, and here you have your media keys that you can change to whatever. You have your macro keys, which are M1 through M5 here. You can make those macros. Then you have special keys, you have lighting, and this is all just for key mapping, I guess. And then you have your backlight, which is my favorite part, of course, the reason we're here. That's cool. Spiral. Jelly bean raindrops. That's the one that my wife likes to use on the K2, the jelly bean raindrops. You have your firmware update, wireless firmware, key test, and bug reports. But you know, your basic necessities here. We'll switch it over to a solid color just so I can game on it. And we're gaming.
Game starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Team Shoddy Snipers.
Volume is at max, but that's fine. Let's go. See ya, pal. Thank you. Hey, thanks, buddy. Whoa! Ah! Ah, what the? Dude, where did you come from? Ah, I see. We get there eventually.
Double kill.
Oh, I'm actually bad. Ah!
King Slayer.
You wrecked your trash. Yeah, my face. Your reticle turns red, even though you're looking at him through the portal and you can't see. You wrecked, nerd. Ah! No! There we go. Ah, that would have been so cool.
Game over. Victory.
Let's go. No, we need another game on this. Nah, that ain't good enough for me. We're gonna have to run that back. I feel like I was trash. Oh, nice no scope, dude. Keychron, you might be onto something with this ergonomic. Normally I have to like tilt my keyboard to the right, but I can put my keyboard perfectly straight, satisfy my OCD, while also actually having the correct angle that my arm needs to play a game. I don't see a downside. And macro keys, you can do whatever you want with that, you know what I mean?
Game starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Team Snipers. Gain the lead. Remaining.
Oh, that would have been sick, dude. Get down from there. Ooh, he's better.
Killing spree.
Where does this go? Oh boy. There we go. Thank you.
Double kill.
Wreck nerd. Peace.
Game over.
Nice.
Victory.
Thanks, Keychron. We won, and it's all because of you. You the bomb.com. What is this, 1984? All right, ladies and gentlemen, this has been the Keychron Q13 Max. Absolutely beautiful. My final thoughts, I thought it was awesome. I've never used one before, but I'm hoping that with this, I'll be able to teach myself how to type. So if you never tried an ergonomic keyboard before, definitely try one out because I actually really liked it. I'll leave the link for it in the description. If you like to stick around, that's the end of the portion for the Q13 Max. If you like to stick around just for a quick, cute little unboxing of the K4 that they sent me, I just wanted to kind of show a quick thank you for them sending it to me. It means a lot. So thank you, Keychron, for the gift. I appreciate it. All right, next up, we got the K4HE. We're going to bust this bad boy open, straight down to business. Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, she's a beaut. There you go, man. K4HE with the wood side panels. Absolutely stunning. Just a full number pad version of the K2. There's the K4. And there's the K2. Let me grab the Q13 back and we'll put the rubber wrist rest because I didn't realize that was, look at the shape of this thing. Clearly not meant for the K4. So, oh, this would have been so great while I was gaming. Oh, overall thoughts on the Keychron Q13. I absolutely loved it. Ergonomic, everything. It felt really great during gaming. It just felt natural. It felt right. It felt like it follows the curve of my wrist the way it's supposed to go. If you enjoyed it, feel free to smash like. Check out my tech review playlist. I'll leave a tech review playlist right here. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you're new. Leave a like if you liked it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Subscribe.